Hi friends, welcome back to Make It Happen Monday, your weekly dose from the Healthy Living School. Today, I want to talk about a movement that's gaining monstrous momentum and why it's so important for the health of our families, especially our kids. If you follow the Food Babe on Instagram, something I recommend, you may have seen her heroic efforts to lead the charge in pressuring Kellogg's to remove artificial food dyes from the cereals they distribute here in the United States.
Parents don't know the truth about how artificial food dyes affect their children and their brains, and the fact that they're riddled with carcinogens, things that cause cancer. And this is something that we have to stop if we're going to look at the root cause of chronic disease in this country.
And honestly, it's a movement we should all support. Here's why. The data is crystal clear. Artificial food dyes like red 40 and yellow 5 can have harmful effects on children's behavior. Research has shown that these dyes are linked to hyperactivity, attention issues, and other behavioral problems in kids. In fact, many parents who've eliminated food dyes from their children's diets report dramatic improvements in focus, mood, and overall well-being. What makes this even more egregious is that Kellogg's already produces these exact same cereals with natural dye-free formulations in the European Union and in Canada. Why? Because those countries have stricter regulations and demand safer ingredients. Yet here in the US, where these companies are headquartered, they continue to use these harmful dyes. It's a double standard that puts profits ahead of public health and is simply unacceptable. The good news is that we have the power to make a change. As consumers, we must vote with our mouths and our pocketbooks. That means stopping the purchase and consumption of any of Kellogg's cereals until they remove these artificial dyes here in the US. If enough of us take a stand, they'll have no choice but to listen. This isn't about cereals. It's not just about cereals. It's about demanding safer food for all of us. So let's support this movement, spread the word, and make our voices heard. Together, we can create a future where companies like Kellogg's prioritize health over harmful additives and their profits. Thank you so much for watching. Please share this message with others so they can benefit too. Thank you.